So good morning students. So today we have to start lesson 8, Birbal and the cooking pot. So before discussing the chapter, let's see the different characters of this chapter. First is Akbar and he is Birbal, courtiers, washerman, drummer, messenger, child, people, and washerman's wife. So this chapter is created on scene. So first of all, let's explain you first scene. So here is Akbar and Birbal. Just see, it is morning and the view is of a palace balcony overlooking a river. So it's the morning scene and they just both Akbar and Birbal, they are just moving in the balcony and they are just overlooking a river, looking a river. They're just moving backwards and forwards in the balcony. And Akbar is saying that Birbal, I have heard that the water in this river is very cold. Is it true? Akbar is asking that I have heard कि मैंने सुना है कि पानी यहाँ पर बहुत ही ठंडा है. The water in this river is very cold. Is it true? Then Birbal is saying, yes, your majesty. So why we use this word majesty? Majesty is the word that is used when we are speaking to or about a royal person for showing the greatness and power of him. So now Akbar is saying, if a man stood in this water for one whole night, would he die? Now Akbar is asking from Birbal that if a man, as the water is very cold in the river, if a man stood in this water for one whole night, then would he die? They are just talking about that. Then Birbal is saying, certainly, Your Majesty, no ordinary man could survive this cold. Then Birbal is saying, yes, definitely, Your Majesty, that no normal person can survive in this cold water. Then Akbar is just thoughtfully, he's just thinking by stroking his chin. See, he's stroking his chin means moving his hand gently on his chin and just thinking, well, he's just thinking that, well, here is my chance to test the strength of the common man in my kingdom. That this is my chance. I want to test the strength of the common man in my kingdom. People listen. The emperor whispers into Birbal's ear. Birbal shows surprise, then no. Then Akbar is just whispering in Birbal's ear, and Birbal shows surprise, then nods. Nods means to move head. Yes, okay, we will do this. To move the hand up and down. To move head up and down. Now this is scene 2. So in the afternoon, in a busy part of the town, a drummer beats his drum loudly. So in the afternoon, as they have discussed, so in the afternoon, in the busy part of the town where the crowd is there, people are living, a drummer beats his drum loudly and people gather round him. And when the drummer is just saying loudly and all the people gather around him, that what this drummer is saying, listen, listen, what he was saying, listen, listen, the great Emperor Akbar's reward. Now, what he's saying, the great Emperor Akbar's reward. It is saying that anyone who can stand for one night in the river near the palace will be richly rewarded. Now, this drummer is saying that anyone who can stand for one night in this river that is near the palace will be richly rewarded. Means will get a grand prize. Richly rewarded means will get a grand prize. So on the payments, people stop and talk excitedly. Impossible, who will do it? So on the payments, what do you mean by payments? Payments means on the footpath also, as the drummer has announced. Now the people are talking and they stop and talk very excitedly that no, it is impossible. Who will do it? Who will stand in that cold river for whole night? So they are just talking, shall we try? Some is saying that shall we try, and some are saying it's too risky to stand in the water. So all they are just talking about that. And a poor washerman whispers to his wife. Then a poor washerman just whispering and telling to his wife, this is a good chance. If I get this reward, we can live well. They are just talking, and poor man is saying to his wife that this is a good chance for us. If I stand in that water, if I get this reward, we can live well. Then, but the washerman's wife is saying, no, I don't want that. You will freeze to death, and I will be left alone to cry. No, don't want to do you like this because the water is too cold. Then you will freeze to death. Means you will die from that cold water. Then I will be left here alone to cry. But washerman is saying, don't worry, nothing will happen to me. Washerman is saying, don't worry, nothing will happen to me as after all, but he's saying, the washerman, after all, I wash clothes in the cold water of the river every day. Washerman is saying, I'm washing the clothes in that river every day. I don't feel that so much cold in that water. Now, this is scene 3 that I will discuss. Okay, next time. Okay, thank you, students.